Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is a unique and fascinating fruit that captivates both the eyes and taste buds. Let's dive into the world of dragon fruit and discover its intriguing facts. Did you know that dragon fruit plants belong to the cactus family? These fruit-bearing plants have fleshy stems and spiky protrusions, making them one of the few fruits that actually grow on a cactus. The two most common dragon fruit varieties are the white-fleshed dragon fruit and the red-fleshed dragon fruit. Here's some information about each type. White-fleshed dragon fruit. This variety has a vibrant, pinkish or yellowish skin with white flesh inside. It typically has a milder and sweeter taste compared to the red-fleshed dragon fruit. Some popular cultivars of white-fleshed dragon fruit include the H. undatus and H. megalanthus species. Red-fleshed dragon fruit. This type of dragon fruit has a bright pink or reddish skin with vibrant red or magenta-colored flesh inside. It usually has a slightly tangier flavor compared to the white-fleshed variety. Common cultivars of red-fleshed dragon fruit include the H. casturacensis and H. polarisis species. Apart from these two main types, there are also hybrid varieties available that may exhibit variations in color, flavor, and texture. The specific varieties can vary based on regional availability and cultivation practices. It's worth noting that while dragon fruit is commonly categorized into white and red types, there can be further distinctions within these categories based on specific cultivars and genetic variations. Now, let's share a few interesting facts about both white-fleshed and red-fleshed dragon fruit. White-fleshed dragon fruit. Its sweet flavor. White-fleshed dragon fruit is known for its subtly sweet taste, often described as a blend of pear and kiwi flavors. The nutritional benefits. It is a good source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, which can contribute to a healthy diet. The texture. The flesh of white dragon fruit is typically softer and creamier in texture compared to the red-fleshed variety. A flowering cactus. Dragon fruit is the fruit of a type of cactus called Hylocereus, which blooms overnight and has large, fragrant flowers. The pollination. The flowers of white-fleshed dragon fruit are usually pollinated by nocturnal creatures such as bats and moths. Its growing regions. White dragon fruit is commonly cultivated in countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and Taiwan. Red-fleshed dragon fruit. Its vibrant color. The striking red or magenta flesh of this dragon fruit variety is visually appealing and can add a pop of color to dishes. The tangy flavor. Red-fleshed dragon fruit often has a slightly tangy or sour flavor profile, which some people find refreshing. Its antioxidant content. The red color of the flesh is due to the presence of natural pigments called beta-cyanins, which are known for their antioxidant properties. The high hydration. Red dragon fruit has a high water content, making it a hydrating fruit choice. Its origin. Red-fleshed dragon fruit is believed to have originated in Central America and is now cultivated in various tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. The culinary versatility. It can be enjoyed on its own, blended into smoothies, used in fruit salads, or even incorporated into desserts and sauces. Both types of dragon fruit offer unique flavors, nutritional benefits, and visual appeal, making them popular choices for both culinary and dietary purposes. So, whether you're enticed by the creamy sweetness of the white-fleshed dragon fruit or the tangy allure of the red-fleshed variety, dragon fruit is a delightful fruit that combines unique flavors, health benefits, and an exotic appeal. It's time to savor the wonders of dragon fruit. Thank you for joining us on this captivating dragon fruit adventure. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more exotic delights. See you soon. And happy gardening!